Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, earnings season is on. I've already done a video on CRISPR and then on Beam and then on Illumina. Today I'm going to talk about Editas medicine. On the get-go, I would say that I'm a little bit dissatisfied with what I heard. Nothing bad was heard, but the good things that I wanted to hear did not materialize. So with that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Today, Editas Medicine reported its financial results for the second quarter for 2024, and despite several positive updates on its clinical programs, the company's share price fell significantly. This decline can be attributed to a combination of financial results and investor sentiment. Let's break down the key factors contributing to the share price drop. So the very first one is the financial performance concerns. Editas reported a net loss of 67.6 million for Q2 2024, which is a significant increase from the 40.3 million net loss in the same period of 2023. The net loss per share also increased from 56 cents to 82 cents. This widening loss indicates that the company is burning through its cash reserves at a faster rate, which can be alarming for investors. The next aspect of financials is the decline in revenues. Collaboration and other research and development revenues dropped dramatically to 0.5 million in Q2 2024 from 2.9 million in Q2 2023. The collaboration revenues, I can imagine, are going to be a bit erratic. So I would discount this aspect a little bit, but when combined with the other factors, this is a bit exasperating for investors who already burnt their fingers in this high interest rate, tight money regime. And this decrease is primarily due to reduced drug supply activity with collaborators, and the sharp decline in revenue suggests potential issues in securing and maintaining partnership, which are crucial for funding and advancing their research programs. Think of them as getting more milestone payments lined up for the future. And then we have the rising expenses. Research and development expenses surged 24.4 million, reaching 54.2 million in Q2 2024, compared to 29.8 million in Q2 2023. This increase is mainly due to higher clinical and manufacturing costs related to Renicel program and ongoing in vivo research and discovery efforts. So Renicel, as it is behind Casgevy and Lyfgenia. Of course, it's a superior technology. I think it would be justified to put extra efforts to move things forward, but we have no indication of how higher expenses would relate to quicker attainment of milestones. So unless we get that kind of color from the earnings result, I don't think I can consider it to be a huge positive. And general and administrative expenses rose by 1 million to 18.2 million. The increased expenditure, especially without a corresponding raise in revenue, raises concern about the company's financial sustainability. And then, of course, the market reacted to all of these, and it looked at Editas cash equivalents, and marketable securities, which decreased from 376.8 million at the end of March 2024 to 318.3 million by the end of June 2024. Although the company expects these cash reserves to fund operations into 2026, the rapid decline in cash reserves might have spooked investors, leading to a sell-off. And then, of course, you're looking at clinical progress and expectations. Despite significant progress in its clinical programs, including the Renicel trials for sickle cell disease and transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia, the market might have expected more immediate results or clearer timelines for commercialization. At least I was looking for some indication of when Renicel would get commercialized, when the BLA would be submitted. I didn't get any such information. The positive updates on trial enrollments and forthcoming data presentation by year-end 2024 might not have been enough to offset concerns about the financial trajectory of the company. The lifeline is monetization of Renicel, and we didn't see the light at the end of the tunnel out here. So that also added to the investor sentiment going a bit sour. The broader market environment, including economic conditions and investor appetite for biotech stocks, can also influence share prices. If investors are generally risk-averse and if there's a broader sell-off in the biotech sector, Editas' share price could be negatively affected regardless of its individual performances. And in this kind of environment, when they did not give more information about Renicel, about when the BLA will be submitted and when they expect to monetize it, I think that kind of makes it difficult to hold the share price, to hold the investor enthusiasm and the momentum. So the share prices declined. That's my personal opinion. So in summary, while Editas Medicine made substantial clinical progress in Q2 2024, the financial results, particularly the increased net loss, declining revenues, and rising expenses, have likely overshadowed these achievements in the eyes of investors. The significant depletion of cash reserves and the broader market sentiment towards biotech stocks may have further exacerbated the decline in the company's share price today. And with that said, I still remain hopeful about Renicel, but at this point of time, I'm going to stay away from Editas and see how low it can go. And also the increased expenses, we have to see how the management reacts to the market response, and maybe see if they are able to tighten their belts and give a much better performance for the next quarter. So I'm going to hold off until next quarter and hope Editas tightens its operations, improves its operational efficiencies, tightens its R&D costs, and comes up with some commentary about when Renicel will be monetized. With that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end, and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. And meanwhile, I would like to hear from you whether you have the stocks of this company and what you think about my thoughts about Editas. Put them all in the comment section. I always love to read your comments. So thanks and have a great day, and bye for now.